We're back live here at the KJLH Women's Health Expo. I'm speaking on Kaiser's panel today because Magic Hair Company, not only do we have the best glueless human hair lace wigs, but we help with medical reimbursement, and that's why we are the only vendor here to work with Kaiser Permanente. So we're working on a lot of different programs to get those wigs sponsored for you ladies who have medical hair loss issues. Hello, hi. And we're just letting everybody know that we're here, that our store is here in Culver City. We do medical reimbursement. We're out here, show you guys what's going on. Hello. Hi. Hello. We are a lace wig store located in Culver City. Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh, thank you. Ooh. Thank you.
What time does it start?
I think it starts at 10 to 12, because I think vendor setup was 8 to 10, and my presentation is 12:30 to 1. Hello, hi ladies.
Hello.
Hi. We do medical reimbursement through Kaiser for our wigs. We do medical reimbursement through Kaiser with our wigs. If you're looking for a wig, yep. Yes. Yes, take one of our cards, look at our website, come shop with us in our store. Let me sit a little closer here. Hello. Hi. We're a custom wig maker, and we make wigs, and we work with Kaiser to help with medical reimbursement. Yes, take one of our cards here. It has our $25 off. Check out our website. We're having a BOGO sale right now. Yes. We have hundreds of wigs in our Culver City store. Come on by.